searching up this title. I'm proud of you. I'm rocking with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm rocking with it because you want to know how you going to make more money as a nail tech, as a nails enthusiast. Yeah, we here. We here because I'm about to give you these tips. I'm about to give you the tea because apparently I'm seeing that ain't nobody else giving these teas. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody else giving it because I'm about to give it to you, boo. Yes, this is what we do because we homegirls over here. We homegirls over here. I got you, boo. I got you, boo. Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me just throw a little transition up in here real quick. Let me just throw it up there. And then after I do that, I'm about to give it to you. Hold on. Here we go. Okay, girl. Well, you know, the transition has came back. You know, it came off and I'm here. You know what I'm saying? I'm magically appeared. No, I'm just playing. Up here, okay, though? All right. So, hold on. Before I give you these tips, before I give you my little knowledge, you know what I'm saying, over here in this little noggin of mine, I'm going to need for you to just hold on real quick. Just check in the description box because I got some links up in there. Hopefully, by the time this video airs to y'all, my website is up and popping, JustAsiaJ.com. You know what I'm saying? Just go over there and then click away. And then, if it ain't or if it is, I'm gonna need you to check over there. And then I'm gonna also need you to just go ahead and follow my IG, JustAsiaJ. Cause you know why? Cause homegirl be over there doing my little TikTok and I go viral. It ain't TikTok, but it's still IG. But you know what I'm saying? I'm doing my thizzle over there. And I need you to support the girls over there, okay? Because, you know, you support me over here. But where is the love? Share the love. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so JustAsiaJ. Let's get with it. Okay, so. You want to know how you going to make more money? I'm with you. Now, I'm about to bullshit you for 2 seconds. So for 2 tips. Just 2. Because I'm just going to bullshit you. Because this is just what they do. Okay? So, I could easily say, hustle harder. Get more clients. Yeah, you can do that. That's an option. 1, hustle harder. Get more clients. I just have a feeling because you're looking up this video, you probably already are, right? Okay. So I feel like another tactic that you can do is host nail classes. I think that's the gist of it. You know, I think that's like, all right, I'm done pulling your leg. I'm done fucking with you. I'm done. Now, you really ready to figure out how you're going to make some more money because this be pissing me off because ain't nobody talking about it, but everybody doing it, okay? This is what really be getting me hot. Because I'm like, listen, I got, my heart is in a good spot. Like, I just want everybody to win type shit, right? So I'm going to help you with, what I learned, girl, I'm going to tell you. 1, respectfully, F them clients. Respectfully. I'm sorry. I know everybody said go out there and get more clients. No, F them. Respectfully. Why? Because it's like there's no control over that. None. Okay? And people gonna come when their pockets can afford to come. This is how I would recommend you get more money as a nail tech, a nail enthusiast, anything of the nail game. Bring your ass to social media. Hello? Let me hit my Mary J real quick. No, just wait. But no, for real, bring your ass here. And you but it's like, think about it. Think about all the nail videos that you watch. So let's just say, okay, start your YouTube channel. You're like, Asia, it takes too long to build. No, I'm not accepting that. I'm really not accepting that. So if you don't know about YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to get monetized. Okay, cool. That does sound daunting. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold you. But I did a video. I have it linked up in here somewhere. You know what I'm saying? I have it or I have it up in the cards, where it's how you gonna get monetized faster on YouTube. Okay, cool, boom. But hell, hold on, time out, pause. Think about all them nail videos that you watch. Whether it's how to shave, how to do this, how to do that, whatever the title was, I promise you, you watching this video right here, You helping me. Why not help yourself? Why not? Let's just say you want to have like a nail channel. Why not help other beginner nail techs, but have videos that other beginner nail techs are going to be searching for, and then eventually their ass is going to help you. But when I say eventually, hold on, don't think 10,000 years from now. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Because guess what? Guess what? Guess freaking what? You build up. Okay, I'm in Ohio. I know for a fact that I have people from New York and Atlanta. I ain't never been to Atlanta, but I got people from Atlanta watching. You know what I'm saying? So I have access to people in Atlanta. And then let's just say I was to sell something that is valuable to somebody in Atlanta. Somebody in Atlanta is buying from me. Somebody in Atlanta is watching me. Why not let that be for you? Don't let that be daunting, because that ain't daunting to me. Hey, girl. Hey, you know, hey, what's up? What's up in the ATM? Let's go, you know what I'm saying? Let's go skating, you know what I'm saying? We'll go to Waffle House. What them country men hitting for, okay? Because I'll be his old lady. What's poppin'? No, but anyway. Okay, hold on, time I pause. But I was just saying, like, okay, like, why not? So let's build your social media following, okay? So let's start with a YouTube channel, okay? Now, let's go on to the next thing. The next thing, and this is like something, I guess, that you don't really necessarily have control over, is that you can also do Instagram Reels, because Instagram Reels has a bonus program. I mean, you got to do a couple of them to get invited into that bad boy. Is by invitation. But the fact of the matter is that they offering that shit. You over here doing your little TikTok dance, trying to go viral with it. Shh. Do your shit on TikTok. I mean, on IG. You can even do it on TikTok if you want to. Those are ways that you cannot control. But guess what? Either way it goes, let's say you do start your IG and you get a following on your IG, or let's just say you get a following on YouTube. You have a following. People are rocking with you. Now you can sell products. Okay? So let's just say you have a nail audience. Now you can sell, let's say, things that's going to help your beginner nail techs. I don't know, freaking files, nail charms, all that stuff. That is how you can make more money. So let's just say, you know, you do not have the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours for YouTube. Okay, you're right. You didn't hit the monetization, but you do have 500 people fucking with you, right? You do have that. And YouTube ain't stopping you from buying no damn products and telling these people, no, they're not. So, okay, get to selling. Shit. Okay, then you can provide a service to them. So let's just say, you know, you are good at like building websites. Okay, you can offer that as a service to them that they can book. You know what I'm saying? Or let's just say you're good at like intros. You can offer that. And, you know, let's say you're like, you listen, I ain't gonna lie to you, I ain't gonna hold you. When you are, in my opinion, an entrepreneur, but let's just put nail tech on it to make it look pretty, you have to get creative on how you gonna get this money. Ain't no way in hell you gonna go straight at it. Ain't no way in hell, in my opinion, that just having clients is gonna get it to you. And the reason why I say that is because, for me, I like, you know, I was like, oh, I'm going to hustle and get these clients. Yeah, I'm going to do that. And I did that. And guess what? Them bitches didn't come. Why didn't they come? Because that's not like, I mean, granted, I did do this in the worst quarter to do this, which was the last quarter, so people was recovering from, you know, Thanksgiving and Christmas and all that stuff. But that's what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? I was ready to jump in November. I jumped and my ass damn near fell. You know what I'm saying? But guess what? Guess the freaking what? Them clients that I was trying to get in like November, December, January, they started to roll their asses over here now. And then they also bring in their peoples, right? So I personally feel like the best way, and damn near the only way, that you're going to get more clients is through word of mouth. That is literally how I've been filling up my slots. It's through word of mouth. You have no control over that. You have no control over that. I mean, I'm not a control freak. I'm not. But a bitch like to eat. Okay? And I'm gonna figure out another way. Like that's what I've taken away from that whole November, December, early January situation, is that you cannot One, have one stream of income. You cannot do that. And then two, you have to get creative on how you gonna get more money out of yourself. Like, what can you offer to other people that is gonna get you more money? Like, that's just what it is. Okay, now you can also offer, or you can also do affiliate marketing. So, you know, now you can think of like Amazon and all that stuff, but I'm not even talking about that. I'm not, but that's part of it. But I'm not. I'm freaking not. You know why I'm not? So let's just say you build a nail brand, your nail presence. If that's what you want to do on the UE of the tube, on the IG, on the Tiki of the talk, guess what? Brands start reaching out to you. Brands now, the brands is reaching out to me. Speaking of that, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put my card, you know, I have a code with my card. It's with my old channel name, if you don't know. It's called Chanel Beauty, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But that's what the code is with. Okay, so you can get that's kind of scary. I got a notification from a cart and that bitch popped up. But anyways, any old kind of ways, you know, there's a little discount code. So you could be doing that too. You know what I'm saying? Brands could be reaching out to you too. And then you can offer it to your followers, like how I offered it to you guys. And then if you bought something from a cart, then you'll get a 30% off. And then with that 30% off, I would then get a little cut from that. And now that little cut is in my pocket. And that little cut is now giving me a little cut of a piece of pizza. Eventually, I'm going to get a whole ass slice. But you know what I'm saying. You feel what I'm saying? You can do these brand deals. Okay? Oh, bitch. Let me just say this, and I know this is like a little goal, like, you know, a little goal, you know what I'm saying, but we getting there. Oh, we definitely getting there. But guess what? So if you don't know about long hair, pretty nails, hold on. Hey girl, hey Evie girl, what's up, Marky? What's up, right? Now, if you don't know about them, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and get to know them long hair, pretty nails, okay? She did a video, she went live, or she did a Q&A, one of the two. And it was basically like, what's it like being a nail influencer? Like, she got millions of subscribers. I don't know if you know about this, but I'm gonna need you to get to know, okay, cool, boom, boom, boom. So she said that, you know, she was just asking regular questions. And one of the questions that came along was, how much does she charge for a video? Y'all ain't gonna believe what her answer is. This is for one freaking video, for one hand. One video, one hand on some Eminem, one shot, one kill, one chance to blow type shit. Just one. Do you know what she said? Do you know what she said? Like, do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man. Yes, the Muffin Man. Sorry, I went off and left. What movie? Put it down in the comment below. Anyways, okay, do you know that she said that she charged $10,000 to $20,000 for one video? Now, she did say that brands be acting like they don't want to respect her prices. I don't know why they didn't put some respect on her name, because she a G in this game, I'm just gonna say. But $10,000 to $20,000 for a video for one hand? For one hand? Oh, baby, you can't see this. What? You ain't got to tell me twice. Hell no. I have all the pizza in this world, baby. Quit playing with me. Pizza, tacos, fries, burgers, what? Wings, and get my little snacks, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Baby, what? What you say? What client you know paying that? I just want to know. For one hand. 5 fingers. Quit playing with me. You talk about this, so you telling me all I got to do is build a nail present? Oh, and how you do that? By giving these people what they want? Oh, and being consistent? Oh, okay, cool, bet. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you, the consistency part I gotta work on too, girl. I ain't gonna hold you, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, when she was like, I personally feel like, okay, like, that's basically where I'm gonna end this, because I don't want this to be too long. But I personally gonna say this. When you comfortable, and when you really are eating, like really when you comfortable, I don't feel like you'll see it for real. But when you don't have it, or when you're hungry, or when you really want it, or basically like this is your only shot, I have no choice but to win, you will then get creative on how you gonna get more money. You will then get creative and realize that, like, this is not the only road. And I promise you, you probably are thinking of all the nail techs that have clients. And you're absolutely right. I'm not saying you can't get clients. I'm not saying that. But I am also saying that if she solely just has clients, she has to continue to have clients. She can take a day off. She absolutely can. But, you know, not too many. Not too many. Because she's literally working. You know, them rich people be saying, like, girl, don't be exchanging your time for money. That's basically what you're doing as a nail tech. That is literally what you are doing. And that's cool. That's cool for some pocket change. That's cool. But to really be like working for every dollar to maintain your household, your livelihood, no, that shit scares me. I'm not going to lie to you. Like, no, I'm not doing that. No. And I don't want you to do that. And if that's your road, then that's your road. I can't help you. But I'm just saying, like, no, fuck that. Get your streams of income up. Figure out, get creative within yourself on how you gonna do it. Like, these are like little scratching the surface, but I don't know. Maybe you're good at being like a coach. And so you're coaching people through. And like, you know what I'm saying? But you gotta get creative with it. And then you cannot, in my opinion, take it for face value. Like, oh, okay, go around. Because literally all these girls that's on YouTube, for the most part, are getting paid for it. Everybody that you think of, they're rather selling products. They got a social media presence. They got stuff. And it's like, this is literally what I'm telling you guys. I know you may be whatever, but baby, just look at it differently. Every freaking site you go to, everything, just look at it differently. Like, oh, that bitch getting money from that. Yeah, you get money from it too. Don't second guess yourself. Don't doubt yourself. Like, you can make more money. However you got to make it. And as long as you, girl, get this money, go ahead, you know, I'll help you. Because if you go, hopefully by this time this video airs, my website is up. I do offer strategy calls. And in this strategy call, girl, I'll give you the blueprint on how we going to make it for you. How, like, what you like. Because you might be a nail tech, but you might not like nails, and that's okay. You don't have to build your presence off of nails. You can build it off of whatever you want to build it off and run with that shit. So I can help you. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? Just check the description box. This is the end of the video. The end of the video is basically when I want you to leave, because, you know, so we about to wrap this up. I want you to know that you're going to have to get hungry about it. You can't take shit for face value, and you're going to have to figure out a way to make this shit work for you, because it has to work. There is no other option. She got to eat. My little babies, they got to eat. This whole household, it got to run. And money make this world go around. Okay? Peace out, girl. Talk to you later.